Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to track an order on Cole Haan. If you don't have a Cole Haan account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Join/Sign In. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for customer care. Under customer care, you will see an option that says Track an Order. Click on Track an Order. Now on the field provided, enter the order number, order email, and billing zip code. After entering, click on Check Order Status. That's how you track an order on Cole Haan. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.